Good afternoon, everyone. This is Superintendent of Schools Curtis Kotes with our weekly update. I'd like to start just with a public announcement that we are watching closely the health conditions within all 4 of our buildings. We are starting to see some increasing cases of both RSV and the flu. I just encourage any families to reach out to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns, if your child contracts either of these viruses, and take the lead from your healthcare provider and proper protocol to help your children and any of your family members return back to full health. We just ask for your cooperation if your children are not feeling well. Follow your doctor's directions also for keeping them home for the right amount of time from school as well. I also want to offer a reminder. Several weeks ago, we put out a tutorial video on some resources for families to have conversations with their children about online safety, including the use of social media and websites. I encourage families to go back to the online posting for Common Sense Media, the video that the district put out, just if you need a reminder or a refresher to initiate those conversations with your children. Again, we want to do everything that we possibly can to partner with our families to make sure that we are maintaining a safe and healthy online and learning environment for our children and our students as well. I also want to just bring to the attention of the community some of the work that we are doing on an ongoing basis with ADAC to battle substance abuse in our schools. ADAC has been pushing into many of our classrooms, both at the high school and did some work earlier this year at GIS, and we'll be working with our other buildings also throughout the year to bring information to our students about the dangers of substance abuse. We're also currently exploring a new curriculum that could potentially be used in our K-2 building as well. And again, encourage our families to reach out, ask questions so we can battle this epidemic together. As a reminder, we will be holding parent-teacher conferences coming up this Friday and Monday. So in particular, those families in grades K through 5 in Scotchtown and GIS will have appointments available to them both on this Friday the 2nd and Monday the 5th. And then for our middle school, for grades 6 through 8, we will have conferences available on Friday. Please reach out to your individual building if you have individual questions about appointments and or want to make any kind of appointment to meet with your teachers or administrators to discuss any questions or concerns. It is that time of the year where concert season is starting as well. Starting on December 6th, we will be initiating all of our holiday concerts in all of our buildings. Some will happen during the day and some will happen in the evening, and concerts will run all the way through to the 15th. Please check the district calendar or the district website so that you can see what particular schools will have concerts on what particular days. And we encourage our families and community to attend and see the hard work of our students and our staff that work together to provide such a great performance. And finally, we're at the beginning of the winter sports season. We're looking forward to seeing all of our athletes compete, including basketball, wrestling, and all of the different winter sports that occur. Come out and see a great game and cheer on the Gladiators. Thank you so much, Goshen, and we'll see you next time.